What's going on YouTube? The Dividend Stock King here with another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today's topic is what are two ways an investor in the stock market can make money. There are more than two ways, but I'm gonna go with the two traditional ways. I don't do options or puts or anything like that. I go with the old-fashioned way. The two ways to make money in the stock market. If you pretty much they're saying buy low, sell high. And that's anything you sell online, or you buy something for cheap and you cart on sale for like $10 and you sell it for $20 on eBay or something. The same thing applies to the stock market. You're buying something for cheap, $10 or $20 or $30, and you sell it for more than you pay for it. You can make money that way as well. I'm gonna give you one example here. I owned 67 shares of Main Street Capital. My average cost is $26.77, and my total return, Russell, all of this, I make $429. Excuse me. So I can make that much money if I would have sold all of my shares of Main Street Capital. So that's one way of making money. This is an example. We look at the 5-year history that loads up. You can see how much the stock cost. It was going up, and it hit with the pandemic. And I started buying shares here. Main Street Capital is one of my favorite stocks to own, and I could sell them all for $429, all of my shares. So I make that much money back. That's one way. The next way is with dividends, and I'm just a Dividend Stock King channel, and you can see here I'm gonna get paid 64 shares. I got paid in January 64 shares at 20 cents, about 21 cents a share, and I got $13.12. That's another way you make money, and that's the main way that I want to make money. I want to make passive income. Dividends is a portion. We're a shareholder. The company gives you a portion of their profits to the shareholder. So I'm a dividend investor. I invest 90% of my portfolio in stocks that pay me dividends. I love the fact that I can own something, and I'll continue to make money monthly, quarterly, for years to come. There's nothing you could buy like that. There's nothing you could buy and someone would give you money, I don't care if it's 10 cents, just to hold it. And the value of that thing could go up or go down. So those are two ways you can make money in the stock market. Here's the in both buying and selling, buy low, sell high, and dividends. I'm a dividend investor. But we go to something like Tesla. Hold on. We go to Tesla here. I'm gonna show you this. Now, Tesla has, imagine you was here in 2016. These shares was $50 a share. Now it's $881 a share for Tesla. So yeah, if you would have bought Tesla, say 2019, even 2020 was a good price, $95. You could have bought for $95, sold it for $881. You would have made $700 a share by selling it. And that's what people are doing now. They're trying to find newer companies that's like a Tesla, and they use this experiment, they use this story. Say, hey, this was $70 today, next year it's gonna be $800. And that's what the real money is at in the stock market, honestly. But you really can't predict the future. But there's two ways how an investor make money in the stock market. I prefer the dividend way. I prefer the passive income coming in while I'm sleeping. The passive income comes in. I prefer that. I prefer this way too, if I can find something. But I don't waste a lot of time researching and trying to find, because you just never know what's gonna pop. Right now, everybody's on Nino. Nino looks like it'll, be a good share, but right now I'm just, you know, just keep my dividends going, buying more dividend stocks, keep the passive income going. Because as you know, my goal was to make $500 per month in dividend stocks. But even with the $500 a month, my next goal was to get to $1,000 per month. Excuse me. So I invest mainly in, well, all dividend paying stocks, and I like it so far. It's a good way to make some additional income, especially the earlier you start, the better you are. If you start at 18, 19 years old, I'm not giving the financial advice or any kind of advice at all. So put that disclaimer: I'm not giving no financial or stock advice. So do your own research before you do anything. But if you're at 18 years old, 19 years old, and you spend 10 years building a portfolio to make $1,000 a month, you'd be what, 29, 28 years old, but you're making $1,800 per month in dividends, which could pay your light bill, your water bill, your cable bill, and it's another income stream. So you can have your job, you can have a side business to make you some money, and you can have your dividends. So you have three streams of income. So the earlier you start, the better you are, but always get involved. I am on Webull now, so I am in transition to take all my stocks into Webull. I'm going to transfer phase now, so Robinhood will slowly cease to exist for me. Robinhood is a good place for beginners, but Webull gives me more information that I need. And I'm not giving financial advice or stock advice, so do your own research. But these are just two main ways an investor makes money in the stock market, and I prefer dividends. I prefer that passive income going versus me, taking time researching companies and trying to find a one, and I just take an ETF. I know it pays me per month. I get this many shares, it'll pay me $30. My goal is to get them 30 shares to get that $30 per month or per quarter. That's my focus on. I do trying to find stocks that's undervalued that might be better in the future, but that's not my main concern. My main concern is getting the passive income going, get my money working for me with passive income. And I think dividend investing is probably the ultimate passive income here, in my opinion. Better than real estate, because real estate, you got to find a property, you got to buy it, you got to find tenants, you got to fix it up, you got to be a landlord, and they call you, and then they have to send you the rent money, and you got to pay the mortgage, and the rest is yours. And once they move out, you got to replace anything that's broken. With dividend stocks, I can do none of that stuff. All I can do is own the stock, and that's it. So that's the end of the video. I'm not giving no advice for stock market, but thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and see you next.